don't want China. Hi, baby ni Mama. Hi. You're opening gifts too? Hi, Nanak. Shh, Nanak. Hi. Hi, pretty baby Mama. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Maybe we should return this. You think? Look at the inside if you like it. If you don't like it, we can return it because I don't want China made. I want Japan. That's the reason why I bought it is because I want Japan pen.